Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. As I have shown you the previous light I have, and now it looks beautiful. Today I'm going to upgrade the kitchen light to LED lights. This is the LED light I'm going to use, and this one has a 3700 lumen. I have two lights in my kitchen. LED lights is very slim. This is the light I have. I already removed one light fixture from here. So this is the old fixture which we need to remove. So that will be the first step. The safety is the number one priority. So make sure that you take all the precautions. You make sure that you turn off the switch, also the power breaker, before you remove the fixtures and change it to LED. It's going to look really decent once we're going to replace it with LED. Inside the box, we get one LED light plate, which is going to get mounted on the ceiling. Once it gets mounted on the ceiling, it goes inside these holes, and then we slide it like this, and it locks the LED in place. So if you notice, there is an arrow, and this one has also arrow. And this goes inside the hole, and these have cutouts at the bottom. There are 4 cutouts. Once you put it like this, then we're going to slide this way. It locks in. So it only goes one way. If you put it other way around, then it's not going to move. So make sure that you follow the arrow. Should be facing both same way. Once you have a screws mounted, 1, 2, 3, 4. You drill the holes, the wall anchors, put the screws in, and that keeps in place. 2 of these solid wires which help. Then you can put this one right here. While it hangs, so you can connect these wirings. In my scenario, the hole is right here, then the light push that way. So I'm going to do the DIY work. But in your case, you're going to use the existing hole. It will be much easier for you to do it. Once these lights are installed, it's going to bring the outlook of your kitchen. So the next part is removal of the existing light. This is where I have a stud in the center. I'm going to mount 2 screws right into the stud, and then 2 screws I'm going to use a hollow. Secure with the 1 screw into the stud. You can see I use the lever and it's perfectly aligned. This screw and 1 screw is going to go on that side. This is the hollow wall. So this is sheetrock. These 2 are going to be the solid screws goes into the stud. The wood is running all the way across. In this case, I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to turn it, and I'm going to make a hole a little bigger. So once the hole is drilled, the wall anchor, and one goes in here. And these are the 2 screws. Rotate it, align the hole, and one on this side. And this is perfect. This will be the solid. And this is really secure. Perfect. These are the white connectors, so I'm not going to use. I'm going to use these we call butt connectors. Without splice the wire, we can use these as well. These are really good. I want it flush to the ceiling, so I'm going to use these smaller one. So we're going to put the wire like this. It goes like a halfway, and the other wire gonna come, and then I'm going to crimp it. And once it's gonna crimp, it's going to make a solid connection. So now we're going to hang this one with the help of these. Watch out this arrow. This arrow should be facing the same way. So the arrow facing that way, and we can put this one like this. The second one has the same place. So now it hangs in like this. So I'm going to use this connector, and I'm going to connect these together, and then I will show it to you. The wiring is completed. I put this connector. I'm using electrical tape on top of it. Now I'm going to test it. Look at this, how bright light is. And comparatively, if we look in the other side, as you can see, it now look dull. You really don't need to put electrical tape. More secure. The wiring gonna stay underneath. Connector is really small. These 4 holes, we're going to align it as I showed to you earlier. So I'm going to put it, make sure that there is the wiring is not gonna come underneath those holes. And once you put it the back side, the front automatically gets aligned. This one goes inside, making sure the wire stays inside. and this side goes inside. Once it's going to go inside, then we're going to slide it just like that. As you can see, it's mounted on the ceiling. Once you put it two brackets on this side, then you put it on this side, and then you slide it this way, and it locks in. That's it. I'm going to do the other side. The LED light is very bright. This is a 4000K daylight, and these tube lights, so these are 3000. It really does illuminate the kitchen really well. So I have removed the cover, and now I'm going to remove the lighting fixture. These are the tube lights we removed from the light fixture, and as you can see, 32 watt. So we are using 100 watt, and with the LED itself going to be 40 watt only, 40 watt and 3700 luminous. These three tube lights gives us around 2500 luminous. Even with the one light, it's very bright. This LED fixture comes with the user manual, and this is the hardware. So it's always advisable to read the instructions. This is the plate. Once we're going to install this plate, and this one locks in. So we're going to open like this, and if you notice, there is arrow going this way. So we need to make sure the arrow facing this way, and then it locks in. Now we're going to install this one. I have installed one tube light, so this will be the second one. Electrical connection. I use the butt connector. As you can see, this side is also done. I'm going to turn it on, and you will see it's working perfect. And now I'm going to put it into the holes, slide it, and lock it. LED installation is done, and this is the final upgrade of my kitchen, and LED looks beautiful. As you can see, they are very bright and they look really nice. It brings the outlook of my kitchen. As I have shown you the previous light I have, and now it looks beautiful. On my kitchen hood, I did the LED upgrade. I have a posted video, so please check it out. So this looks really nice, and I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to upgrade yours. So thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye-bye.